Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
AI Marketo review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about the software called AI Marketo. So this is an AI Marketo review, and right now we are on the sales page, and then we have the demo video which is for 10 minutes long, so we'll get back to the demo video later on. Right now on the sales page it says overwhelmed with too many and complicated AI tools, revolutionary stage second AI automation technology turns anyone into a marketing genius in 60 seconds or less. So here they're saying overwhelmed with too many tools. Well, when I saw the demo video, I lost my interest in watching this demo video within 60 seconds, I would say, until here. As soon as I saw this screen, workflow done for you. What is all this? Anyways, so you will have to go and watch this demo video for 10 minutes in your free time, and if it makes sense to you, then you can go and buy. By the way, you will be able to come to the sales page by clicking on the link below my YouTube video in the description. You will find it will be saying it says here, I guess, grab AI Marketo copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page, and then you can scroll further, and then you should have the demo video on the sales page somewhere here. You see? So scroll just a little on the sales page and you will find this 10 minutes video. You can click on watch on YouTube or click on this play button and then go through the 10 minutes video. I am telling you, I am quite turned off by watching the demo video. It doesn't make sense to me. Or you can say, I don't need this, or I have no interest. If I don't want this, if I don't want something, I will show no interest. In your case, you will have to go and watch the demo video and see if you need this or not. They have a $20 off use coupon AI Marketo 020. That's a lot of discount. So the price here is, I guess, let me see. It shows $67 for commercial license, okay, but for personal license, you will be able to get this in $37. So check your coupon code if that works for, if this coupon works for $37, that means you can get this in only $17, okay. What else do we have? I will not waste my time on the sales page. I have no interest in this product whatsoever, okay? I will never buy this product in my entire life because I don't know what they're selling to you. What is this? Create automation. Why would you create automation workflow for whom? Who are you? And whom are you going to work with? Come on, guys, get a life. So again, I don't know what this is. It didn't make sense to me when I was watching the demo video, so I have no interest in this product, okay. And if I come down, let's see if they allow us to come down, because the sales page is like 1,000 feet long. Let's see. Okay, 3767 as you can see here, okay. And you have 50k credits here, you have 1 million credits, you have workflow. What is workflow? I don't know. You might know, okay. It might be related to your work, you might be experienced, you might be from this field. I'm not from this field of workflow and chatbot and all that, and I don't really want to be in that field, okay. Is it chatbots or chatbots? I don't know. Maybe chatbots, I don't know. Okay, so these are those features, okay. So probably you will have to spend $67 if you want to buy this after watching the demo video. They have 30-day money back guarantee as per their claim. How it works: purchase it and put it to the test for a whole month, blah and blah and blah. Okay, who can benefit from this? Okay, if you are SaaS seller, YouTube market, absolutely not. I am a YouTube marketer, I don't need this. So if you're a YouTuber, stay away from this. You don't need this. Affiliate marketers, you don't need this. Website owners, you don't need this. Now market, I don't know who needs this, because I am most of the things here. I am YouTuber, I am affiliate marketer, I am a website owner, I am a digital marketer, I'm a blogger, I'm a freelancer, I'm a SEO expert. I don't do e-com. So I think most of the things applies to me, and I am telling you not to buy this. Do I need tech skills? Or of course you do. Here these bastards saying you don't need, but I'm telling you, when you watch the demo video, you will not know what's going on here, really. And then what if I'm not satisfied? 30-day money back guarantee. And then we have, what exactly is AI Marketo? All in one something, okay? Something software. How does AI Marketo save my time? This and that. Are we done? Yes, we're done. So let's try to watch the demo video, or maybe before watching the demo video, I'll show you how you can make some money online, because I'm not sure how did you come to this sales page? I mean, did you receive some email in the inbox, or were you promised that you will make some money with this? I have no idea, but most probably you might have been told that you will make money with this. Okay, so no, you will not make a single penny with this, because making money is as simple as making this YouTube video. Nobody makes money by buying AI Marketo, but if you sell Marketo, this AI thingy in your YouTube videos, if you buy from me, I make money, you don't. Okay, so if you want to only make money online, the real money, for goodness sake, not the fake dream money which you make by buying something online in 20 bucks, not that money, the real money which will make you work manually, just like I'm working manually. Okay, so if you want to make real money, then you have some links below my YouTube video. First link says make money on autopilot with Forex thingy. This is what I'm talking about. This is called Forex trading. We'll talk about this in the end. And then second link says here make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I'm doing right now on YouTube. It will help you to get your YouTube channel monetized within a month. Monetized means you will be getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel within 2 weeks. And after that, YouTube will monetize your channel, and then YouTube will show you these ads which you're watching in my videos. So when I am making this video, whether you buy something from me or not, this video has made some money for me already because you have seen these ads. Same way tomorrow when you start your channel, when your channel gets monetized, people will watch your videos and you will be getting paid for these ads even if they don't buy anything from you. Okay, if they buy, that will be a bonus. So if you want to make real money, check out all these links. All these links are, the personal methods which I use, and they make money for me. Okay. Now let's come to the demo video here. Again, you will find the link of the sales page, and come on the sales page here, scroll down, and then you will find the link of this demo video. Okay, so go and watch the demo video if it makes sense to you, because as I said, if I don't want something, I will show no interest in that product. This is not for me. I don't need this. Maybe you want this, you will have to go and watch the demo video, because here we have some workflow. Again, it pissed me off, or not pissed me off, but it turned me off. Okay, so DFY workflows, I have no idea what this is, and why would somebody need this in their life? I have no clue. Okay, because for me, making money is quite simple. For me, I make a YouTube video, you watch my video, my money is made. That's it. Or you buy something from me, my money is made. Okay, or else I come here and I do this Forex thingy. I buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, and I use a software. So for me, it's quite simple. It's nothing hanky-panky, nothing fancy for me. Keep it simple, do what makes money, and fuck everything else. Okay, so I will never buy any of these things which you see out there in the market or online. So if I forward the demo video again here, I got no clue why they are on the screen. Done for you, done for you. What is all this? What's all this? Brand description, I have no interest in any of this. Okay, but again, do watch your demo video, because your situation might be, you might be expert in this. Okay, you might be a freelancer, or this might be your field. This is not my field, and that's why I have no interest in selling this to you. But if you need this, go and buy this, make me some money. What else do we have here? So I guess I'm gonna, okay, here you have those voiceover, the robotic voices. You can get text to speech. Okay, and then you have some kind of image editor. Again, I don't know. What I don't understand is, how can you sell this to somebody in $67? It's not worth it. For me, I would say it's not worth it. But again, they have their own reasons to sell this. And then here we have some OTOs. This is front end. This is OTO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, bundle deal. And not much information available. What are you going to get? Okay. So when you buy the front end, then you will be taken to the relevant upsell pages. Go and pick and choose there, buy whatever you need, and don't buy whatever you don't need. Okay. So let's come back here, and I'm feeling very hot now, warm. So do check out the demo video. That's all you have before you make the buying decision. Okay, without watching the demo video, you will not understand anything, and after watching the demo video, I did not understand anything anyway. So yeah, because my mind is not focused on AI Marketo. My mind was only focused on how do I just finish the demo video and let's start making this YouTube video, because my YouTube video has made money for me already. When you're watching these ads, I don't care about AI Marketo. If you do, go and buy from my link, make me some money, and I'll see you in the next video. However, if you are here as a newbie, okay, for first thing first, this tool will not help any newbie anyway. Newbies don't know what's going on the internet. Okay, if you're a newbie, if you only want to make money online, again, these links will help you. So just watch the video till the end and check out more information about these links now. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time, because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay. Now we will not be doing any of this manually, because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits. Okay, when the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos, and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not. Okay, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually. Okay, both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me. Okay, so choose whatever suits your situation. Okay, in the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic service within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic service. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.